Minglaba structure was sentence making a structure was wajat is open bono do plus I plus net to plus buff one bo extension so ye star now tap po build teaching you tell yaba no di petengo ba jump thumle le byashima thumle sajaya ma bono. It is used to ask for permission, check necessity, or confirm if something is required to do. Malo pyama soye to koko go lobo lo edalale lo yamla sura medes gabono. Shinto to koko lobo luyin di petongo tuyama bono zapam chimebo. Do I need to work? Do I need to work? Chando lo loyamala. Chando lo loyamala. Do I need to go there? Do I need to go there? Chando edigo toyamala. Chando edigo toyamala. Do I need to study now? Do I need to study now? Chando aku sachayamala. Chando aku sachayamala. Do I need to bring my umbrella? Do I need to bring my umbrella? Chando tea bono tea yolo yamala bo tea. Chando tea yolo yamala. Do I need to tell her? Tea bono. Do I need to tell her? Tumago byo yamala. Chano tumago byo yamala. Yamala bono satopi bono. Dilomyo waja ngale tayi le waja tijang yebyo raba.